If you've ever squinted through a foggy windshield at night, worried the next step could send you stumbling, or wiped gritty eyes in the morning only to wonder if this new normal is just age catching up with you, listen closely. Shockingly, it might not just be your birthday candles adding up or fate closing in. In fact, new research suggests that the choices you make before bedtime can either starve your eyes overnight or fuel your own built-in vision repair system while you sleep. Most doctors say fading eyesight is simply part of getting older, and many people over 50 resign themselves to blurry vision, night blindness, or aching, dry eyes. But what if the story could change? Starting tonight, let's face it, losing your independence to poor eyesight is one of the greatest fears for seniors in the United States, the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Imagine the frustration of missing a street sign at dusk, or the embarrassment of asking a friend to read the menu under dim lights. Maybe you've had to give up driving at night. Or maybe you worry about an unseen curb sending you to the ER. According to data from the Mayo Clinic, about 1 in 3 people over 65 experience significant vision loss, but growing evidence suggests this is not always inevitable. In one study, lifestyle and nutrition changes showed measurable improvements in eye health, even in older adults. So here's the burning question for everyone watching after 50. Is there a simple, natural way to turn your evening ritual into a window of healing for your eyes? And what have thousands of people discovered that medical textbooks and billion-dollar supplement companies don't want you to know? If you're tired of trying expensive pills that go nowhere or hearing it's just part of aging, you're in the right place. I'm going to share real stories from people just like you, proven tips rooted in breakthrough research, and practical details you can start using tonight. Have you ever wondered if that one drink before bed could do more than just relax you? And if you've ever felt frustrated as the world smudges and fades, you're not alone. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. I want you to imagine waking up with clearer, more comfortable eyes, and knowing that your nighttime habits, not your birthday, are making the difference. Let's dive into the 8 drinks that research suggests may transform how your eyes heal themselves while you rest. Many of these remedies are centuries old, but are now being validated by modern science. As your guide, I'll explain why each one works, how to prepare it, and share remarkable results from real seniors who've tried them. Let's count down from number 8 to the number 1 bedtime drink, so be sure to watch until the end. Our journey begins with an ancient combination, green tea with raw honey. Japanese monks have used this pairing for over 1,000 years, but only recently have scientists understood how it works. In my experience, many seniors searching for answers overlook this simple drink. But green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that target the lens of your eye. When you pair it with raw honey, which is bursting with more than 200 bioactive compounds, their combined effect can enhance antioxidant uptake by as much as triple. According to a study from Tokyo Medical University, I remember Robert, a retired librarian in his 70s, who struggled each morning with scratchy eyes, needing ever stronger glasses, and dreading the slow blur of daily life. After 3 months of nightly green tea with raw honey prepared just right, steeped gently and cooled, before adding the honey he found himself able to read standard print. With improved eye pressure that even surprised his doctor. Research suggests it's the epithelial growth factor in raw honey, along with green tea's catechins, that support the body's natural eye repair during sleep. Now, that's an impressive start, but let's go deeper. Next, let's take a trip to wartime England with the bilberry and blueberry smoothie. The story goes that British pilots in World War II gained a secret edge in the dark, improved night vision from consuming bilberry jam. According to their accounts, science has since shown that bilberries contain 15 types of anthocyanins that nourish the tiny blood vessels in your retinas. Blueberries add pterostilbene, which helps protect the optic nerve. When you throw flaxseed and unsweetened almond milk into the mix, you get a smoothie that, according to a study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration by more than 40%. Margaret, A retired teacher I worked with thought her driving days were behind her because of severe night blindness. But after drinking this blend every night, she noticed not only improved night driving skills, but also clearer depth and color perception. She regained confidence, control of her independence, and a brighter outlook, literally. It's important to avoid cow's milk in this recipe, since some research observed that casein protein reduces anthocyanin absorption, dulling the potential benefits. But don't think you need only exotic berries. Sometimes, Grandma really did know best. Carrot and ginger juice might have a nostalgic ring to it, and for good reason. Carrots are famous for their beta-carotene, converted in your body to vitamin A, which is vital for vision, especially at night. What most people don't realize is that adding a thumb of fresh ginger root increases that conversion process dramatically, up to 5 times. According to the National Eye Institute, the ginger contains gingerol, which during sleep helps clear waste products from your retinal cells, while vitamin A promotes regeneration. James, a retired mechanic in his 70s, was missing those precious moments with his grandchildren because he could barely make out their faces. Even supplements didn't help much, until he started drinking carrot and ginger juice with a dab of coconut oil every night. Within weeks, his vision sharpened, and life's little details like his wife's expression or a grandchild's smile became visible again. If you've tried every pill, maybe it's time to let food be the difference. This next drink takes us high into the Himalayas, where monks routinely read by candlelight deep into old age. The secret: goji berry tea. Goji berries stand apart for their exceptional levels of zeaxanthin, one of the only antioxidants known to accumulate in the human macula, responsible for the central field of vision. Research from Beijing University found that seniors drinking goji tea nightly boosted their macular pigment density by a quarter in just 3 months. Patricia, a retired nurse with early-stage glaucoma, struggled with elevated eye pressure and lived in fear of permanent loss. But incorporating goji berry tea into her evening, precisely prepared and finished with a squeeze of lemon, brought her eye pressure down and stabilized her vision. Goji's Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, noted in the American Journal of Ophthalmology, offer rare protection to retinal cells even under stress. Are you starting to wonder what other hidden treasures the world has to offer? Let's keep going. Golden milk. Think turmeric. Coconut milk. And warming spices is a mainstay in Indian households. More than comforting, it delivers curcumin, the compound that in studies from University of Texas showed promise in protecting diabetic seniors from the leading cause of blindness, diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin works by calming inflammation and blocking harmful proteins without common prescription side effects. Mixing in black pepper and coconut milk multiplies its absorption, while a hint of honey adds flavor and extra enzymes. David, an accountant managing diabetes and swelling in his retina, took up the golden milk ritual. His eye scans improved, but even more, his blood sugar stabilized, a bonus for any senior worried about diabetic complications. The drink is easy to make, but timing and temperature are key. Heat, whisk, let cool, then add honey for the finest effect. Next is saffron water, a ritual reserved for royalty from Cleopatra's baths to the cups of ancient Persian nobility. Saffron is the world's most expensive spice, and for good reason. It contains crocin and quercetin, shown in research from the University of Sydney to actually help restore visual sharpness for those struggling with early-stage macular degeneration. Even the smallest dose, 5 deep red strands soaked for hours, can increase blood flow and light sensitivity in the eye. Helen, an artist frustrated by fading color vision, found hope and results with saffron water taken every night. Her color perception returned and her macular degeneration halted, letting her rediscover the joys of painting. In fact, Italian researchers observed that saffron supplementation boosted the electrical responsiveness of aging retinas. Looking to the Far East, Chinese emperors once employed teams of doctors to safeguard their vision against the effects of time and poison. Their answer: wolfberry and chrysanthemum tea, a blend proven by a massive study in China to support eye pressure regulation and offer protection against glaucoma. Wolfberries supply rare forms of zeaxanthin, uniquely bound for more efficient absorption, while chrysanthemum brings protective plant flavonoids that keep the drains in our eyes flowing free. Richard, a retired pilot threatened with surgery, returned to safe and comfortable vision after months of this tea. Not only did his physician cancel the planned procedure, but Richard was able to expand his field of vision, a rare occurrence in patients his age. The luteolin in chrysanthemum also showed benefits in preventing retinal buildup that can steal sight with age. Have you noticed how each new drink combines both science and ancient wisdom? Here's something you won't want to miss: the most staggering benefit yet. Topping the list is the NASA-inspired duo, astaxanthin enhanced tart cherry juice. Astaxanthin, a super antioxidant derived from microalgae, is incredibly potent, capable of passing fully into the eye and targeting every layer from cornea to retina. When combined with tart cherry juice, already high in melatonin, to support sleep and repair, the effect is amplified throughout the night. According to studies supported by the Macular Disease Society, this blend improved contrast sensitivity, sharpened depth perception, and even allowed some seniors to reduce eyeglass prescriptions. George, an 81-year-old engineer facing complete blindness, regained enough vision to read, navigate without aid, and recognize his family, all after 10 months with this unique bedtime drink. The key is natural astaxanthin from algae, not synthetic, blended well with tart cherry juice and a measured spoon of MCT oil to ensure maximum absorption. Taken an hour before bed, this combination works with your deepest sleep cycles, where your eye's natural repair peaks. If you're wondering whether these stories could become your story, consider this. In one peer-reviewed study after another, seniors who made these small changes found new hope for restoring vision, improving comfort, and reclaiming independence. The results weren't miracles, they were measurable, repeatable improvements, rooted in both the past and the rigor of today's science. Each of these 8 drinks is not just an old wives' tale. They are supported by observations from Harvard, the NIH, and leading institutions across the world, using phrases such as research suggests, and in one study to emphasize real, testable impact. Now, think back to where we started. The struggle of losing your sharp sight, the anxiety of losing control, the question of whether it really has to be this way. What if your own nightly ritual, just a simple drink prepared with care, could restore not only your vision, but your hope? So I ask, which one are you willing to try tonight? Will you start with soothing tea, a bright smoothie, or the bedtime juice that impressed even NASA? If you've ever felt like your eyes are betraying you, or that you're just too old to make a change, remember you are not alone, and there are options. Your experience, your comfort, and your clarity truly matter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 down. And check out this next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 bouts, this channel is for you. Thank you for staying with me, and may your nights and your vision become clearer with each new day.